Here is the story of the pretty Priscillia Nzimiro, the first female doctor in Igboland. Priscillia was born in Port Harcourt in the Old Eastern Region, 30th April 1923. Same year, a general election was first held in Nigeria to a very wealthy home. She was the first child of her mother but had step-siblings. Priscillia was very intelligent, excelled academically. That is why she actually desired and wanted to study medicine and become a doctor. Her parents fully supported her dreams. 1945, Priscillia enrolled in the University of Glasgow in Scotland, where she studied medicine and trained as a doctor. She graduated MB 1950 and thus became the first lady from Igboland to qualify as a medical doctor. Just barely a year after she graduated, 22nd of March 1951, as she was fully entering into her role as the first female practicing doctor in the entire region, she suddenly died without a warning at the age of 27. This became a huge shock, not just for her family, but for the region as a whole. Reports revealed that her death was unnatural. She was buried a month after in Oguta, Imo State, on 27th April 1951. After Dr. Priscilla's death, William Wilberforce Academy, which was the first of the two secondary schools her parents established at Oguta in 1945, was renamed Priscillia Memorial Grammar School. This was done to honor her memory and her achievements in the field of medicine. Tell me what you think about the story. Do you think that her death was a natural death, or there was something more to it?